8 400 400 400 याद कर लीजिए ये व्हाट्सएप नंबर, क्योंकि अब आपका मैथ, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो हर डाउट, हर क्वेश्चन का मिलेगा तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन, वो भी आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे। बस आपके व्हाट्सएप पे डाउट नट का 8 400 400 400 नंबर सेव करना है, उसका चैट ओपन कीजिए, फिर जो भी आपका डाउट है उस सवाल का फ़ोटो खींचना है, उसे क्रॉप करना है और 5 सेकेंड में उसका आपको वीडियो सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। क्लास 6 to 12 IIT, जीट, नीट, CBSE और सभी स्टेट बोर्ड के बच्चों के लिए। तो देर किस बात की, अभी जाए और 8 400 400 400 पे अपना सवाल व्हाट्सएप कीजिए, आपके सभी डाउट आउट कीजिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। Hello everyone, today we are going to study chapter number 8, multiples and factors, problem set number 33 we are going to complete in today's video. So before that we are going to study test of divisibility. Now test of divisibility for 2, 5 and 10 we are going to revise. We have already done this last year also. So in the test of divisibility by 2 means what? If there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the units place, the number is a multiple of 2 or it is exactly divisible by 2. Got it? So what does that mean, children? In the units place, I will give you few examples for the test of divisibility by 2. Suppose we take 24. So in the units place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers should come, then only they are completely or exactly divisible by 2. Now this is 2-digit number. 3-digit number we will take. In the units place it is 0, so it is completely divisible by 2. Next we will take, okay, so in the units place 6 is there, that means it is completely divisible by 2. I hope it is clear. This is a revision for test of divisibility by 2. Now the next is test of divisibility by 5. Any number with 5 or 0 in the unit place is a multiple of 5 or divisible by 5. Now what does this mean? We will give few examples to you. In the units place, the number should be 5 or 0 or 5 should be there in the units place. So if we write 15, in the units place 5 is there, that means it is completely divisible by 5. Then if we take 150, in the units place 0 is there, that means it is completely divisible by 5. Even if we take 2, 5, 6, 0, it in the units place 0 is there, that means it is completely divisible by 5. So what you all have to search for? Only the units place, and the number should have 0 and 5 in the units place. Got it? Now test of divisibility for 10, it is very easy. Any number that has 0 in the units place is a multiple of 10. Okay, so this is very easy to remember. Anything which is having 0, any number which is having 0 in the units place, that number is said to be divisible by 10. Example, I will give few examples. Those are very easy. Suppose we take 200, in the units place 0 is there. Then if we take 150, in the units place 0 is there. If we take 10, in the units place it is 0, so it is completely divisible by 10. It is very easy to remember. Now one more thing that we have to study, what are multiples? Okay, one of my students asked in the comment box that what are multiples. Now what are multiples, children? Factors. Multiples are related to each other. Okay, so I will give you one example. Now the example is, suppose 36 is being divided with 6. Okay, that means 6 and 36, 6 are 36. Okay, that means 36 is a multiple of 6. Got it? So what is the multiple of 6? 36. Just let me focus. Yeah. Okay, so 36 is a multiple of 6. Next, one more example I will give. Suppose we take 4 into 7, that is 28. Okay. Now, if we have taken 28, means 4 and 7 are multiples of 28. Got it, children? I hope it is clear. Multiples of 28 you all can write over here. Okay, one more example I will give. If we will take 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, so multiples of 16. What are multiples of 16? 4 into 4. Okay, that means 4. Now, you all can take 2 also, because in 2's table is also 16 is coming. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 2 8s are 16. So, 8 is also multiple of 16. Got it? So, what you all have to find is that number which is coming in that table. That number is said to be as the multiples of 16. Got it? It's very easy. Don't get confused. If again you all are finding it difficult, please let me know in the comment section. We'll explain this term again. But I think it is very easy. You all have to just write the table in which that number is coming. Like 28, it is coming in the table of 2 also. है ना? Then in 4's table it's coming 4, we have written 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, and the rest of the table that the 28 is coming, that you all have to write it. Got it, children? So those numbers are said to be the multiples of 28. Now let's move on to practice set number 33. Write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. Okay, so how many numbers you all have to write? You all have to write 5 3-digit numbers. Any numbers you all can write, but what is the test of divisibility for 2? That in the units place, these numbers should come. Okay, so these numbers you all have to find in which units place these numbers are coming. So you all can take 100, 0 is coming. Alright, then for 2 we can write 102 also. Any number you all can take, but only in the unit place these digits should come. Then we can take 304 for 4. Okay, for 6 you all can take 516, 6 in the units place, and for 8 you all can take 558. Any number, but it should be 3-digit number, because they have said 3-digit numbers. So you all have to only take 3-digit number, not 4. Got it, children? So all your numbers are coming in the units place which are easily divisible by 2. So when you divide 100 with 2, you are going to get 0 in the remainder. Got it, children? It's very easy. Now write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 5. Now what is the rule for test of divisibility for 5? That in the units place 0 and 5 should be there. Barabar. So what you all can take? You all can take any random numbers, children. 0 for 100 you all can take, then 275. Okay, so only 0 and 5 should be there in the units place. You all don't need to underline it. It's for your explanation. Then I will take 230, 115, 990 in the zeros place. Okay, 0 is in the units place. Got it? So these are the 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 5. After dividing these numbers, we are going to get remainder as 0. Now next question is write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. Now the test of divisibility for 10 is very easy. In the units place only 0 should be there. So you all can take any numbers, children. 200, 150, 870, 500, 400, anything, but only in the units place 0 should be there. Got it? Now next question is write 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3. Okay, so for this what we will do, we will write 2 table and 3 ka table so that it will be very easy for you all to understand. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Now we will write 3 ka table, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36. Okay, so what you all have to do, you all have to find the common numbers. Like 12 is there, 6 is also there, then 18 is there, then 24 is there, and at the end 30 is there. Got it? So we needed how many numbers? Write 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are multiples of 2 as well as 3. So therefore multiples of 2 as well as 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Got it, children? This is the easiest way to find the multiples. By writing the table, you will be able to get the multiples. I hope now the term multiple is clear with everyone. Even if you all find anything difficult, children, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to solve your queries. Now, the next question is, a ribbon is 3 meter long. Can we cut it into 50 pieces and have nothing left over? Write the reason why or why not. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to cut this 50 centimeter wala ribbon into, 3 meter long wala ribbon into 50 pieces such that it should not be left. So, for this 1 meter means how much? 100 centimeter, correct? तो 3 मीटर कितना होगा? 3 meters कितना होएगा? 3 meters is equal to going to be 300 centimeters. Easily we can get the meters into centimeters conversion. Okay, so we have converted 3 meter into 300 centimeters. Got it? Now, what was the term that they have given? 3 meter long ribbon or ribbon can be cut into 50 centimeter pieces. पर कितने pieces होंगे? That we are going to find it. Okay, so 3 has to be divided with 50. It is in meter, so 3 meters is how much now? 300 centimeter. तो मतलब we have to divide 50 with 300. Okay, and it is exactly divisible by 3. Therefore, we will divide it and check 50 divided with 300. So, 56 are 300. Got it? It is exactly or completely divisible by 50. So, how many pieces can we get? Therefore, we can make 6 pieces each of length 50 centimeter from a ribbon or ribbon of 3 meter long. Got it, children? This is the conclusion that you all have to write, and it is very easy sum. Now, the next one is a ribbon is 3 meter long. I need 8 pieces. Now, same 3 meter long hai and you need 8 pieces. Now, just now we did, it is exactly divisible by 6. Okay, and the centimeter is 40 centimeter. Then you all can calculate, it cannot be easily divided. है ना? At the remainder, you will not be able to get 0. So, whatever is going to be the remainder, that is going to be the answer for that left over. We have to find how much centimeter shorter is the ribbon than the length I need. मतलब क्या करना है? 3 मीटर का रिबन है, उसके 8 pieces करना है, and 8 piece means 1 piece is to be of 40 centimeter. Okay, तो ये 40 सेंटीमीटर के 8 रिबन 8 पीसेस कट होने पे कितना बचने वाला है? दैट यू ऑल हैव टू फाइंड. सो इट इज वेरी इजी. 8 pieces of ribbon each of 40 centimeter long. बराबर. So ribbon required, कितना ribbon required होगा? 8 into 40 which is going to be 320 centimeter. Multiply कर लो. 4 8s और 8 4s are 32 and 0 as it is. Okay, now it is 320 centimeter, but how much has been given? The given ribbon is how much? 300 centimeter. 3 into 100 बराबर, सेंटीमीटर्स में हमने कन्वर्ट कर लिया मीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर्स. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, देयरफॉर द ribbon is 3 meter long, that is 300 centimeter. So 320 minus 300, how much is going to be left? इतना required है और इतना ही है, इतना रिबन है. 3 मीटर मतलब 300 सेंटीमीटर इतना है, बट रिक्वायर्ड कितना है? 320 आफ्टर गेटिंग 8 pieces. So how much is left over? 20 centimeter is left over. Now I hope this question is clear, children. थोड़ा confusion है, but it is very easy. You all can watch it again, rewind it, and you will be able to understand the question. Understand the question first. 3 मीटर का रिबन था, 300 सेंटीमीटर का रिबन था, उसमें से 320 रिक्वायर्ड है. ओके, 320 रिक्वायर्ड है इन ऑर्डर टू गेट 8 पीसेस. तो बचा कितना? 20. गॉट इट? इट इज दैट सिंपल. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. Now fifth question is very easy. If number given in the table is divisible by given divisor, put a tick. If it is not divisible, put a cross. Okay, so मतलब test of divisibility जो हमने start of the video में करा है, that only we all have to use the property. Now 15 is not completely divisible by 2. It is only divisible by 5. 30 in the units place 0 is there. So 2 में भी जाएगा, 5 में भी जाएगा and 10 में भी जाएगा. Got it? Now in the units place 4 is there. That means only 2's property or 2's test of divisibility is applicable. 5 and 10 not applicable. In the units place 6 is there. Again 2 का property we have to use over here in order to get it completely divisible. 5 और 10 में नहीं जाएगा, divisible नहीं होगा. Next again 55 is there. 55 यूनिट के प्लेस में 5 इज देयर. दैट मीन्स 2 से तो नहीं जाएगा, बिकॉज फॉर 2 वी नीड 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 बराबर. एंड 5 का टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी क्या है? इन द यूनिट्स प्लेस 0 and 5 शुड बी देयर. तो इट इज डिविजिबल. 0 में 10 में तो नहीं जाएगा, बिकॉज 10 का ओनली 0 शुड बी देयर इन द यूनिट्स प्लेस. यूनिट प्लेस 3 इज देयर, तो 3 तो कहीं पे भी नहीं आएगा. यूनिट्स प्लेस 0 इज देयर. So when 0 is there, you all should remember it is divisible by 2 as well as 5 as well as 10. Units place 4 is there. That means it is completely divisible by 2, 5 and 10 में नहीं जाएगा. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.